Hey guys, this is Maria from HurrySocial.com, and in this video I'll show you how to create moving images for Instagram. If you want your followers to stop from scrolling a feed and encourage them to interact with your posts, then it is advised to make and upload moving pictures on Instagram. Follow these steps and you will figure out how you can do it. Go to Google Play Store and download the Stories Photo Video Maker app. Once it will be installed into your phone, go and open it. Click on the plus icon at the bottom of the screen. Select the ripple option. Press on the image you would like to use. Choose the size and tap the checkmark icon in the upper right corner. Now hit the mask icon, click on the brush, and paint over the objects on the photo that you don't want to move. After that, tap the Animate icon, press on the motion. Now hit and drag on the items you want to move. Click on the play icon in order to see how the water is moving. Once you're happy with your image, hit the save icon at the top. Select whether you want to save it as a video or GIF and tap the export button. Press on the share button. And choose the Instagram feed option. Now upload the post on Instagram as you would normally do. That's it. I hope this guide was helpful and you were able to create moving images for Instagram. Don't forget to like this video and visit us at HurrySocial.com.